This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleansing thoroughly. This removes oils and allows serum to penetrate. Once done, keep skin slightly damp to boost absorption. Dispense 2 to 3 drops. Too much wastes product and can pill. Warm the serum between your fingertips for a few seconds. That spreads it evenly and feels soothing. Apply using light pressing motions, not rubbing, to deposit actives where they work best. Make sure to cover forehead, cheeks, and chin quickly so the formula can set into the skin. Once the serum is set, pause for about 30 to 60 seconds so the skin registers the active ingredients. You want a slight tacky feel. That indicates absorption, before adding anything else. If you're using 2 serums, apply the thinnest, water-based one first, then the thicker oil or peptide formula. This order ensures each ingredient reaches its target. Make sure not to combine reactive actives in the same routine. If unsure, separate them into morning versus evening to prevent irritation. Now lock everything in with a moisturizer. Use about a pea-sized amount and apply with upward strokes to distribute evenly. Do this within 60 to 90 seconds so the moisturizer seals the serum into the skin barrier. Match moisturizer type to your skin. Richer creams for dry skin, lightweight gels for oily or humid conditions. If you notice pilling or flaking, make adjustments. Reduce the quantity, wait longer between layers, or switch formulations. That single tweak usually resolves texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.